I need some water. It's so hot out here. Greetings from 7 Magic Mountains, everyone. I'm here with Amanda to check out this beautiful art in the middle of the desert. In that direction there's a freeway and there's a parking lot. We are about 30 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. So this art exhibit was opened in 2016, and originally they were going to keep it up for 2 years. However, due to the huge success that it had, they decided to keep it up for longer, maybe indefinitely. I'm not sure about that part. 7 stacks of rocks, colorful rocks, in the middle of the desert. Pretty cool. That's the thing about art, right? Is that it can help to, in this case, it can help to break the monotony and I mean, add a splash of color to brown. Everything here is just brown. It's the desert. So these are 30 feet tall. Just gonna go around and we're gonna go around and take a look at all of them now. There's a good amount of people here. There is no admission. You just park and park your car, walk over and enjoy. I almost want to being out here reminds me of Hangover, the movie with, you know, Mr. Chow and the crew. I almost want to walk out there maybe, or drive. I don't know, there's something about the desert. Being from Seattle, everything's so green and lush that I actually really like the contrast. Not that I would want to be out here for a prolonged period of time, because I'm already burning up as it is. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this weather, but I do like it. Amanda and I have been out here a few days now, and we've, we've done different things. Certainly, we've been eating a lot of really good food too. So this one here is the least colorful of the bunch. There's white and grayish black rocks on this one. All right, it's high noon right now, so being that it's high noon, the sun is right up, just directly above us. People are taking photos. Amanda and I took a few photos, and we're gonna take a few more, I think, and then we will be out of here and on our way to the next episode. 7 Magic Mountains. 30 minutes outside of the Las Vegas Strip. Let me know what you think. If this is something that you think is cool or not, let me know in the comments. And if it's something that you would actually come here and check out when in Vegas. It's different. It's art. I, for one, love art. So anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. And I'll see you next time. From the desert in Nevada. Take care. till the next episode. Peace.